Right, what we're going to do here is just show how to add more options for your list view in the leads section, and also how to create a new one if you were to need to do that. So from the home page, click on the leads section. Here, where you've got recently viewed, or it might say all open leads, these are the different list views that you've got. If you wanted to create a new one, you would click on the gear icon and click new. Now, just to show you how you can get more options, we'll go on one that you can edit, which I've got here as leads view. Now, again, once that's loaded, just click on the gear icon and come down to select fields to display. This will just show you how you can actually edit all of the different headings that you've got. So you can just add different ones in by clicking the arrows and maybe remove them from their back, just so you've got all of the options that you actually require. And it's as simple as that.